so excited. But right now we're gonna eat our lunch. I'm pretty sure. I mean breakfast.
Good morning. Good morning. Oh yeah. How do you do it? How do you do it? Oh! Hello guys, today we're going to Grill Lodge, celebrating Nanai's birthday, and they both came here, so we're just celebrating that, and we're going to go to Grill Lodge in a few minutes, so yeah, see you guys in a little bit. Peace.
Ano ba?